William RUTO ni gorero aikirane miye county ya Mombasa ase amorokererio yoborimi okona somo igoyo nigo Bw'Erigori ane kiribuna umuroberio yo osemeroberio bune yo nigo ere yengenjo ikiagera nige kobasira abarimi KOENEKIA gukwanira emechando yabo nabo igo kobeka emeroberio yo gokinia esekte yo meroberio bune yiga nigera achie KOENEKIA ase chinsemo ao nabo igo KOENEKIA gokinia obonia RI'EBIMERI ase chinsa usase chinse chesko.
We committed to nothing less than building an economy that works for every Kenyan, leaving no region, no community, and no household behind. In the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, agriculture was rightly and explicitly identified as a central pillar. Ni kwa sababu kilimo ndio msingi wa kuhakikisha kujitosheleza kwa chakula, kuimarisha uzalishaji, kupunguza gharama ya maisha na kupanua uwezo wa kuuza bidhaa katika masoko ya nje. So we gather here at the Mombasa ASK International Show, a premier platform to showcase opportunities, confront challenges, and promote innovation in agriculture and allied sectors. I am delighted to state that we are well on course to fundamentally transforming Kenya's agricultural sector. Agriculture remains the central pillar of Kenya's economy and industrial growth. More than 4 in every 10 Kenyans work in the agricultural sector, while in rural areas, 7 in 10 families depend on agriculture for their livelihoods.
Wanchumurigira somo igoyo boigo nigo Bw'Erigori aenekiri bune serikali nigo yabekire emeroberio yogokinia ebirengo byoboremi goetera okoba Obwoyo Bw'Erigori Ri'Anse goikirania obose goikira boniga nigo babwatokire emebuko chimillion 20 ya mogoetera umuroberio yo nigo orachia KOENEKIA gokina kwa RIGESA nabo igo gokeania okorusia ebituma kurwa chinse chesko banya nabo nigo barachia KOENEKIA kera umuremi nkonyorare Obwoyo Bw'Erigori Ri'Anse.
Through the fertilizer subsidy program, we have disbursed and distributed more than 21 million bags of affordable fertilizer, saving farmers 105 billion shillings and cutting fertilizer prices by nearly 2/3. To put it in context, for every 1,000 that farmers were spending on fertilizer before, they are now spending only 330 shillings. That is the true impact of the subsidy program. This has boosted maize harvests from 44 million bags in 2022 to 67 million bags last year, reducing our maize imports by 70%. In this year's long rain season alone, farmers received nearly 7 million bags of fertilizer and 35 million kilos of certified seeds, up from 475 million bags of fertilizer last year. We are now on course for a record harvest of 70 million bags this year. In 2026, we plan to distribute 12.5 million bags of fertilizer, nearly double the amount distributed this year, across the whole country in all the 1,450 wards, ensuring that every farmer in every corner of Kenya has access to affordable inputs. Tea production has grown by 12%, while earnings in tea jumped 40% from 154 billion in 2022 to 215 billion in 2024. Muhimu zaidi, hela zinazofikia wakulima zimeongezeka, huku bei ya kilo moja ya majani chai ikiongezeka